Okay. Dr. Montazno, are you ready for this? Because we gotta Jalen's gonna say thank you for going on a flight with him. And we just got finished cleaning up the diamonds, all of those diamond blocks away from the testing chamber, because this is now our testing chamber. Yeah, guys, this is our testing chamber, and today for our test, for our first experiment, we are going. Sorry. So guys, we actually have two testing chambers. This is one testing chamber, and we have a testing chamber inside of the lab. So me and Dr. Montazno are going to do an experiment.
It does nothing.
Well, Jay, no problem.
What
are you doing?
I don't know. This does nothing.
It turns on the minecart reel. And why isn't there a button instead of that? Hey Jay, can you change that into a button? Hey Jay, oh yeah, just put it at the car station. So guys, this is Dr. Montazno's new assistant, and he got his official badge. I was gonna give the real Dr. Montazno his badge, but he died on the plane. I just gave him the badge.
Is he your best friend?
Did you change it into a button, Jay? Yeah, he's my best friend. Well, Dr. Montazno, are you ready to do this now?
Hey, bud.
Hey, Dr. Montazno, get down. Hey. You still have the parachute boots on.
Ah!
Fine, Dr. Montazno, I'll just do the experiment without you.
Sorry.
It's okay. You just gotta push him. You just gotta push him. And then I'll go back.
Ah! What? You're doing crazy.
Well, guys, let's do this experiment right now. And get on with this.
Hey!
I'm so ready to do this.
Yeah. I didn't know there was a trap door.
Are you inside of my room? Oh. Well, things are about to get hard here.
Barrett.
What?
I like your face. I like your face. Show me your face. Please. Please. I don't know. Whoa! What is that?
So this experiment is to throw water potions at a blaze. Dude, don't worry about it. I got him.
Water potions?
Yeah, they do damage to him. Dude, you don't need to be in this.
I'm not. I'm just eating some water. That's what I'm doing. Fine.
Die, man.
We'll just...
Oh, no. Get all these water potions. He's going to hit me. We can't let him regen. Oh! You're making me throw the potions all over. Okay, Jalen, now I need your help.
The parrot! It's...
The parrot will be okay. He can protect himself. I hope.
You hope?
Because I am not going to lose Perry.
Perry?
Die! Yes, finally. Oh my goodness.
Hey!
And you dropped nothing? Seriously, man?
Hey!
Not cool. Not cool.
Hey, how are you doing?
Okay, let's do the second one, and then the third one. Let's kill him! Kill him with your fireballs! Kill him with your fireballs! Kill him! Okay, Jalen's going to do the experiment. Who is hitting me? Oh, you did that one. Okay, last one. The spike.
Didn't you just...
Oh, you just threw it into the computer.
You dropped it.
The electric pig will do something with it. Ow.
Oh!
Ow, I'm about to die.
Hey, sorry.
It's okay, you just put it back.
I don't know how to, hey boy.
What?
This?
Okay, guys, I just teleported to Jay. Jay, you missed some. Guys, sorry if I sound weird. My tooth fell out yesterday. Dude, you just dropped it.
What?
Dude, you just fixed the thing. I don't need your help.
I keep on doing this. That is a ginormous.
Stop hitting him.
No.
Fix my lab. Fix my lab or get out.
Okay.
Because if you don't fix it, then get out of my lab. And forever. Oh no. This is the last potion we got, guys. I might need to. What? What? No!
There's a present out your door.
What?
There's a present out your door.
What? Okay. Okay, guys. Jalen gave me a present. There we go. I'm better. I'm better. I didn't need to do that. What? What is this? This is not a present! I don't care. I don't care. Well, guys, that was our first ever experiment. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you like this video.